Hey guys, it's Dean. Welcome to Manful Yoga. In this quick video, I want to walk you through what you should and should not be feeling while doing the triangle pose. So there are a few things that you should and you should not be feeling while doing triangle. I'm going to talk about what you should be feeling first. So first off, when you're doing a triangle pose, what you should be feeling is stretching through your inner thigh and your outer hip. So you're going to feel stretching through whatever leg is forward, feeling stretching through that inner thigh, that adductor. And you're also going to be feeling stretching through the outer hip, kind of right around your TFL area in that back hip. If your arm is reaching up and you're squeezing your arm back and doing this properly, you're also going to feel stretching through your chest and your biceps. You might also feel some opening up through the spine because we are doing a little bit of a twist here. In terms of muscle engagement, your abs should be tight, your legs should be squeezing toward one another. So you're actually going to feel that inner thigh that you're stretching. You also want to feel that muscle engaging, right? So it's working on active mobility. The legs are squeezing toward one another, so those inner thighs are engaged. Your hips are engaged, and you also feel your core working. And then things that you shouldn't be feeling. If you notice that your butt is shifting behind you and your torso is coming forward, so instead of keeping your hips between your feet, that's something that you want to avoid. And to fix that, you're just going to push your hips forward or to the side in the direction that they're facing. And that's what you should be avoiding and what you should be feeling in the triangle pose. For more information on this pose, make sure to head to the link in the description below. You'll get benefits, a full pose technique walkthrough, common errors to avoid, modifications if you can't quite do it, and get some FAQs answered. All of the information I just gave you was taken directly from my book, Yoga Fitness for Men. It was a #1 new release in 3 categories on Amazon, featured in Muscle and Fitness magazine, and also in Men's Health online. It's available all over the world in stores and online. Make sure to check that out. And also, look at the rest of this page. We've got a full pose walkthrough, benefits, modifications if you can't quite do the posture yet, common errors to avoid, and also some answers to common frequently asked questions. And if you're not already on my members area or using one of my programs, make sure to check out the rest of the training resources on this website. There's tons of stuff here to help you learn yoga and also see and experience the benefits of yoga, help you get stronger, improve your mobility, and much, much more. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you use this pose guide and it's useful for you. And I'll see you on the next video.